right now we are going to begin this vlog with a train. It's a road trip, but it's beginning with a train spotting. High-rise OHC returning to normal height. We are going to eat kachori in a near 6-decade-old shop. All the Bikaner sweets and their branches and other similar stores that you find in Bangalore serve dal kachori. But most of the people don't mince the dal. In this, the dal is minced. I'm not able to bite into it. It's literally, the filling is literally melting in my mouth. What's up guys, hope you're all having a good time. This vlog is continuing from the previous part which we ended at Marwad Junction. After that, Hitesh and I undertook a small journey to reach his village which is near Pali Marwad, and we picked up his vehicle. With the help of its headlights, we have begun this vlog. Right now, bhai, ye jagah kaun si hai?
Shingari Fatak.
Shingari.
Rohat.
Okay, it's in Rohat. This is a level crossing near Shingari. We are expecting some train. So from here, our destination is going to be somewhere after Jodhpur. Initially, we had planned to go to Bikaner, but given the time we took to get the vehicle and some other procedures, we hadn't completed them, and we had to fill up the fuel as well. Due to that, we became slightly late. Nonetheless, it's all part and parcel of every trip. We have picked up his car and now we are on the way to Rohat. From there, we'll be going to Jodhpur, and thence we'll decide where we need to head. Should we stop at Jodhpur or continue to Bikaner? Our initial idea was to go to Bikaner by tonight itself, but fate has some other ideas. So let's see what we can do. Right now, we are going to begin this vlog with a train. It's a road trip, but it's beginning with a train spotting. Lucknow WDG 4D and WDG 4. My first spotting of a double stack after ages. The lower level is a refrigerated Concor, I guess. Meanwhile, our YDM4 is reversing, and there disappears the double stack. Bonus. Ludhiana WAG9 32895. तुगलकाबाद WAG 9. Sriganganagar Bandra Amarapur Aravali Express. Amul BRC WAP5 30045 and Dead Valsad WAP4 25013. Arriving Marwad Junction, platform number 2. Raniket Express 40034 Bhagat Ki Koti WDP4. High-rise OHC returning to normal height. Vatva WAP4 22677 with Dead Abu Road WDM3A 14014R in charge of 14822 Sabarmati Jodhpur Express. उत्तर पश्चिम रेलवे जोधपुर मंडल में आपका स्वागत है। प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ है वहीं पर लेंगे ना।
लेकिन यहाँ पे स्टॉपेज है, स्टॉपेज है यहाँ पे।
स्टॉपेज है, शेड्यूल होल्ट है।
वो पैसेंजर है ना।
पता चला हमको यहाँ पे खड़ा करके रानीखेत से ओवरटेक करवा दे।
नहीं, यूट्यूब में ना हम लोग ना मारो।
ये देखिए भाई साहब एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं। अरे वो नॉन स्टॉप चलती है वाली तो।
ऑलरेडी बहुत हालत खराब है।
रुक, स्टेटस देखते हैं रानीखेत का कहाँ है।
डिपार्ट ना हो गई
हो चुकी होगी क्या पता,
बट इसका 1 मिनट का स्टॉप है यहाँ पे तो।
देखते हैं रुक। मेरे को नहीं लगता ओवरटेक होगी भी तो पाली से काफी आगे कराएंगे। गाड़ी ये साइड है क्या?
दो गाड़ी खड़ी है भाई।
रणकपुर कहाँ है?
रणकपुर ये साइड पर अपने पास है।
तो लूप लाइन में कोई मालगाड़ी होगी।
नहीं, लूप लाइन में मालगाड़ी नहीं है, दोनों कोई ना कोई है। उस साइड में पता नहीं कोई और गाड़ी खड़ी है, मे भी एम्प्टी रहेगी।
हो सकता है।
मारवाड़ जंक्शन से कोई ओरिजिनेट नहीं होती है ना वैसे भी।
होती है एक दो। 30761 BRC WAP7 with बीकानेर दादर रणकपुर एक्सप्रेस।
खाली पड़ी है। पूरी ट्रेन खाली है।
SE2 देख ले, 2 एक्स्ट्रा स्लीपर चल रहे हैं।
क्योंकि आते समय फुल भीड़ है ना,
पैक जाती है।
शादी का सीजन है। हाँ,
देखते हो? एक सेकंड। नाइस मीटिंग यू। ये सच में खाली है ये?
नहीं, ये आते समय फुल आ रही है ना।
ये अच्छा, ये काम नहीं करती, उस तरफ कहीं लगा लो।
इसका स्विच करा दो।
कोई स्पेशल है बे?
रुक जाओ। एक पे आ रही है भाई। ओ भाई,
आ रहा हूँ, रुक बे।
चार्जर ले लिया।
ले लिया ले लिया। ये डीजल है। You know, I half expected it to be a freight because I checked the live status of Pali, I checked the live status of Jodhpur, Bhagat Ki Koti and all major stations nearby. None of them showed a train arriving or departing for the next couple of hours. So it had to be a freight train. The road number was missing on the side, so I couldn't make a note of it. It was a Rosa WDG 4G. The Rajasthan road trip begins with a train spotting. Also, a bus spotting. RSRTC bus belonging to Jalore depot. So that was Rohat station on that side.
पहले है ना पैसेंजर्स रुकती थी यहाँ पे,
अभी भी रुकी हुई है रोड स्टेशन पे, कोई पैसेंजर खड़ी है अभी भी, लेकिन वो लाइव में नहीं दिखा रहा है। मतलब कोई एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन या कुछ तो है, लेकिन वो लाइव में नहीं दिखा रहा है। वो क्या है समझ नहीं आ रहा।
नहीं, शेड्यूल्ड हॉल्ट नहीं है ना वो।
हाँ, तो वही अनशेड्यूल्ड हॉल्ट है, इसलिए वजह से।
पहले शेड्यूल्ड हॉल्ट हुआ करता था, इसकी टिकट खिड़की भी है, बट जब से वो सब पैसेंजर्स मतलब ये
वो एक्सप्रेस बना दिया है।
हाँ, तो वो टाइम से यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं तो रामदेवरा लोग यहाँ से ही जाते थे पहले। रामदेवरा हमारा तीर्थ धाम है ना।
So we have stopped here in Rohat, which is quite close to Hitesh village, and we are here to have some famous kachori.
यस,
Where दुकान का नाम क्या है यार?
प्रहलाद चंद मांगीलाल कचौड़ी वाला।
So the shop's name is Prahlad Chand Mangelal Kachori Wala. It's on the highway. ये कौन सा हाईवे है वैसे? जोधपुर से
बाईपास बोलते हैं इसको, जोधपुर बाईपास है ये।
अच्छा,
जोधपुर
So-
पाली बाईपास।
Jodhpur Pali bypass. We'll have the kachori. I'll put up the Google Map pointer in the description. If you ever were to pass by this way, give this kachori a try, and I'll give my feedback after having it. So this is the shop, Prahlad Chand Mangelal Ji Prajapat. Since 1967, we are going to eat kachori in a near 6-decade-old shop. So this is that world famous Prahlad Ji Kachori. Prahlad Chand, sorry. It definitely looks tempting. I don't know how it's going to be in taste. Quite the famous spot to eat kachoris in. And we'll top it up with a kullad chai as well.
Like
we
it.
hope to have kullad chai in Pali station, near Pali station itself, but तो अबे लाइव चल रहा है। We hope to have kullad chai near Pali station itself, but Hitesh was saying that it's the place where we drank chai. It's his regular spot whenever he comes to his village. They have apparently stopped giving chai in kullad, the earthen cup. So let's enjoy the kullad chai here in Rohat instead. So we have got our kullad chai, and Hitesh has the parcel of kachodis. And just walking to the car, we'll place it on the boot and we'll have it peacefully. The shop apparently gets very crowded, and it's difficult to stand there and eat.
खत्म हो गया भाई, बना हुआ
खत्म हो
जो
गया?
इतना बना ना,
हाँ.
वो सब खत्म हो गया।
My God. So those kachodis which you were seeing being pulled out of the kadai, सबका ऑर्डर प्लेस हो गया?
ऑलरेडी सब लाइन में ही खड़े थे ना, देखा नहीं कितनी भीड़ थी।
वो
और
तो
एक
है।
एक जन लिटरली 10-10 कचौरी पैक कराता है।
बाप रे।
यहाँ से
So
150-200 निकली थी अभी,
हाँ.
सब खत्म।
my God. So the guy who was pulling out the kachoris from the kadai, apparently the order has been placed for all of it, and it might get empty in a matter of minutes.
Seconds.
ये तू ज़्यादा exaggerate मत कर, ठीक है? Seconds. कोई वो फ्लैश नहीं है जो कचौड़ी बेच रहा है। heavenly. Kullad chai is a blessing from heaven. Period. So let's go to the car, savor the chai, enjoy the kachodis. Okay, so we have mirchi vada as well. गरम है यार,
आपको हमेशा ही गर्म ही मिलेगा।
it's quite good. The mirchi vada, what they call mirchi bhaji in our place, is really good. When we get mirchi bhaji down south, in a lot of places there is no stuffing. This one has a stuffing. They probably slice the mirchi, the chili, and stuff it with some, it looks like aloo, potato filling. It's amazing. The taste is too good.
यहाँ पे इसको किसके साथ खाते हैं पता है? भोजन, ब्रेड, पाव नहीं, ब्रेड।
So after the mirchi vada, I'm going to try the kachori. Stuffing कैसे दोनों अलग रहती है कि सेम रहती है?
अलग है।
दाल कचौड़ी है.
दाल दिख रही है लेकिन
The mirchi vada was stuffed with a potato filling. The kachori is stuffed with a
मोगर।
dal filling.
मोगर की दाल बोलते हैं।
So it's called mogar. The dal is called mogar. Whenever we have a dal kachori, खासकर जब हमारे यहाँ जितने भी लोग राजस्थान से आकर के साउथ में ये मिठाई की दुकान या फिर ये स्नैक्स वगैरह की दुकान लगाते हैं, कोई भी दाल को पिसता नहीं है, इसमें पिसा हुआ है।
सब बीकानेर वाले हैं। नाम जोधपुर स्वीट्स भले रख दे, बीकानेर वाले हैं।
All the Bikaner sweets and their branches and other similar stores that you find in Bangalore serve dal kachori, but most of the people don't mince the dal. In this, the dal is minced. I'm not able to bite into it. I'm not able to chew into it. It's literally, the filling is literally melting in my mouth.
टैंगी है।
Yeah, it's quite tangy. The crust is very crispy. The filling is tangy. It's really good. Really good. It's a far cry from the kachodis we get in Bangalore. Definitely.
और यहाँ पे चटनी का चलन नहीं है।
They don't serve chutneys with kachodi or samosa over here.
चटनी एक्ट एज अ टेस्ट मेकर। इनको टेस्ट मेकर की ज़रूरत नहीं है।
Exactly. Valid point. Where there is no flavor, you usually dip it in chutneys to get that flavor. But this one, we just finished. I finished mirchi vada and kachodi. उल्टा मेरे को लग रहा है इसमें अगर मैं मीठा चटनी डाल दूँ टेस्ट खराब हो जाएगा।
होगा।
इसको वैसे ही खाने का मन कर रहा है। काफ़ी बढ़िया है।
आप अगर चटनी मांगोगे तो वो लोग को ईगो हट होगा कि यार
उनको उनके बनावट पे इतना कॉन्फिडेंस है।
विल हैव कचौरी इन बीकानेर ऑल्सो। उसका टेस्ट अलग फ्लेवर होगा और व्हेन एवर यू विल गो टू कोटा उसका टेस्ट एकदम अलग होगा। वहाँ पे हींग कचौरी ज़्यादा बनती है।
जैसे कर्नाटका में भी सांबार या फिर रसम कुछ भी थाली मील्स जो होता है इट चेंजेस विथ एवरी 50 किलोमीटर। तुम बेंगलोर में खाओ तो एक अर्बनाइज्ड फ्लेवर आएगा तुमको, बहुत सारे कल्चर्स मिक्सड होते हैं। मैसूर साइड जाओ तो वहाँ पे जो नॉर्मल किसी भी होटल में जाके मील्स खाओ तो वो थोड़ा सा अलग होता है। कोस्टल कर्नाटका में थोड़ा अलग होती है। नॉर्थ कर्नाटक में सांबार रसम का कॉन्सेप्ट थोड़ा मतलब उनके मील्स में नहीं है, तुमको अलग से मंगाना पड़ता है। ज्वार रोटी मील्स बनती है यूजुअली नॉर्थ कर्नाटका में।
इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ लिटिल महाराष्ट्र।
तो वो कल्चर शेयर्ड है। बेलगाम, कोल्हापुर, वहाँ पे थोड़ा वो कल्चर शेयर्ड है फूड।
उत्तर कर्नाटका का
तो वहाँ पे तुमको खाने में सांबार रसम का ओपनली नहीं मिलेगा, तुमको मंगाना पड़ता है वो सब। वैसे ही तुम यहाँ का कचौड़ी ये अलग टेस्ट है, बीकानेर का अलग हो, कोटा का अलग हो। I literally broke my kachori. It's so crispy, fresh off the kadai. So this is the time usually to savor these snacks, you know, when they are freshly made, not when they are stored in some glass case for hours together. And like Hitesh was saying, that's the speciality of this shop apparently. The minute they are pulled out of the kadai, they are sold by dozens. And within minutes they get sold. और फिर वो अगले बैच के लिए शुरू कर देते हैं। We were actually in a line. We waited for her kachori. He placed the order, he paid, and we waited for 10 minutes to get this.
ऑलरेडी पीछे वाला चालू हो जाता है क्योंकि वो लोग बना के रखते हैं ना, जब तक वो तलता है पीछे बैच स्टार्ट हो जाता है।
और क्योंकि वो इतने सारे बनाते हैं एक बैच में,
ऑलमोस्ट 100 to 150 बनता है एक कढ़ाई में,
तो उसको पकने में भी थोड़ा टाइम लगता होगा उसको।
और भट्टी बोलते हैं हमारे यहाँ, वो चलती है सुबह 7 से लेकर रात को 9-10 बजे तक, और वो नेचुरल भट्टी है।
और क्योंकि ये हाईवे में है तो इसकी बिक्री होती होगी हमें। When we came here to park the vehicle, I asked him on purpose to bring the vehicle so ahead so that we don't stop there. But actually what he was saying is that people stop on the highway. You know, one lane gets blocked by the vehicles that stop just for this kachori. I didn't want that to happen, so I asked him to on purpose to bring the vehicle up ahead. We didn't mind walking for this. We walked some 100 meters to the shop, we brought them and we are still enjoying them in peace. और वहाँ पे खाते हैं तो इतने शांति से नहीं खा पाते.
वहाँ पे हमारा पीस हो जाता है.
So this is like an early dinner for us. I think we have had our fill. Maybe we'll drive to Jodhpur and beyond, and let's see where we can find an accommodation for the night. Our idea was to go to Bikaner today, but I don't think we can make it because driving late into the night won't make any sense. We'll be completely tired tomorrow.
Enjoy the buses. अभी स्टार्ट हो जाती है मुंबई वाली सब.
Let's have some fun bus spotting.
आने और जाने वाली बसेस स्टार्ट हो जाती है 6 बजे के बाद.
ओए, ये RSRTC की बस है.
हाँ,
जालोर डिपो.
चलो ठीक है. और काफ़ी अच्छी मेंटेन्ड है इन सब.
जालोर, बिनमल, जोधपुर, नागौर, देशनोक, बीकानेर. बीकानेर जा रहा है वो.
हाँ, देशनोक मतलब बीकानेर के पहले आता है जहाँ करनी माता का टेम्पल है. I was thinking to stop over there for night.
Apparently our man Hitesh has some opinion about RSRTC because he is a local, he knows it better. They are very, कौन सा word था वो? खतरनाक buses. So dangerous buses. They drive quite rash apparently. So I'm not really sure, I don't know, I've not travelled in them. वो खासकर तुमने सिरोही बस को देख के ही क्यों बोला?
RSRTC को देखे क्योंकि वो जो लोकल बसेस है ना, इसीलिए. जो आप पहले RSRTC गई थी वो प्रीमियम बस थी,
तो वो रैश नहीं चलाते. कचौड़ी इज डन. लेट्स हेड टू जोधपुर. Just stopped for a quick break. We wanted to check the tire pressure. Apparently the tire pressure was low in all 4 tires. I was feeling some vibration when we started from Pali itself. It took us so much time to get it checked because there were no puncture shops or most of them were closed on the way. And what's surprising me is most petrol bunks in this highway, it's a national highway, NH62, it has a lot of petrol pumps. There are quite a few petrol pumps of many brands, but most of them don't have a working air filling station. I don't know how. I mean, down south we are so used to having so many petrol pumps, having at least an attendant who's somewhere inside, or one of the petrol bunk attendants will come and fill the air for us. I know I got so used to that. Now I'm seeing these petrol pumps with no attendants to even fill fuel. I mean, you have to literally go and call them कि भैया आ जाओ, थोड़ा डीजल डलवाना है, पेट्रोल डलवाना है. And that's the condition, I think. I'm not generalizing, but so far I'm just summarizing what I've seen, which was quite surprising. So finally we found one shop, Kumawat Tire Service, Sri Balaji Market, Pali Road, Jodhpur. We got our tire pressure checked here, and that is Hitesh Tata Manza, owner by sahab wahan khade. Saab ji, Malik, namaste. So I'll be taking over for the remainder of the drive till we find an accommodation for the night. We are not planning on staying in Jodhpur. We'll go slightly beyond Jodhpur and find some accommodation there. Our destination is Bikaner, to which we'll be heading tomorrow morning. So, chalo, let's drive. दादाजी ये कार कब लाए थे?
13.
So, an interesting fact, Hitesh's grandfather loved driving.
लाइसेंस नहीं था उनके पास.
He was a, वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, एक
सरपंच.
नहीं सरपंच नहीं, बिन ताज वाला सरदार.
हाँ.
So his grandfather was like a king without a crown. He didn't have a license, but he was like a very respected person in his village, and he bought this vehicle in 2013. And when I say bought, he didn't literally buy it, he brought it, and then told in this home that I have brought a vehicle, अब एक काम करो तुम लोग पैसे दे देना इसके. So this vehicle which we are traveling in right now has such an interesting history. and it's a remembrance of Hitesh's grandfather, Hitesh's late grandfather, who passed away recently. So we have just given it a quick break. The vehicle,
Till now, car is good.
it's in really good condition. We are enjoying driving. I mean, we didn't feel, except for a few loose parts here and there, which of course, since this entire family stays in Bangalore and not many people use it here, so due to lack of maintenance, we felt a few glitches here and there, but otherwise it's quite good to drive through. Right now we are on our way to Ossia, where we are looking for accommodation for the night before proceeding to Bikaner tomorrow.
Famous for Jain Mandir.
Exactly. Ossia is famous for Jain temples, but unfortunately कल सुबह देख पाएंगे क्या? कितने बजे खुलती है वो सब?
Possibility है.
So we'll explore that possibility. So कल की कल देखी जाएगी जो भी है. As of now, आज रात को तो accommodation ढूंढना है अपने को. We were feeling slightly hot. The weather was not as cold in the city limits of Jodhpur. Now that we have gotten outside on SH61, we are heading towards Ossia. Now we are feeling the temperature drop. I think हमको जर्किन निकालनी पड़ेगी बाहर. So अब वो तो आर्टिफिशियल है, अपने को तो अपना वो करना पड़ेगा. So that is there.
कार के अंदर जरूरत नहीं होगी हम लोगों को.
So right now we'll have some chai and we'll proceed right after वो कचड़ी वगैरह खाने के बाद. अब तो भूख तो है नहीं.
Think about it.
नहीं क्या थिंक, मेरे को तो भूख नहीं लगी, तुमको कुछ खाना खा लो.
तो मुझे भी नहीं है, but
That's done. Then nothing to think about. Have a cup of chai and proceed to Ossia. That's it. Freshly made chai. Didn't have it in stock. अदरक की टेस्ट आ रही.
अभी बना. हम लोग सुबह निकलेंगे तो भी 7 के पहले नहीं निकल पाएंगे.
चलेगा 7-8 चलेगा.